Marietta Mehanni, and this week's Aqua tip, we're using the noodle in chest depth water. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a kick to the front and a kick to the side. So front, side, front, side, front, side, front, side. I'm hopping on the other leg and I'm pushing the noodle to the front and to the side. Now the tempo we're moving at is at a pace where the noodle might not come all the way up into my body, but you want to get clients to aim to bring it as close to their body as they can to try and make sure those elbows keep moving back. Now front, side. And you can do this exercise fast. It gets heart rate up. And so what I like to usually do is do some on my one leg, some on the other leg, and then play around with alternating. So right leg, definitely gets the heart rate up. My heart rate's definitely up, and I haven't even been doing that exercise for that many repetitions. You want a hopping action, so when you're demonstrating it, make sure that you're hopping as well when you're cueing it and showing it, because this is very different. Keeping the foot down the bottom of the pool has a very different effect. It's certainly nice cardio as when you get the hop happening. Also, when you've got the hop happening, your foot can reposition so that when you're turning your whole body, your foot's in the same alignment with your knee and your torso. Just something to think about. We don't talk a lot about foot alignment with knees in the pool, mainly because our bodies are supported by the water a lot, and so quite often we've got the ability to lift up and reposition the foot anyway. It sort of tends to happen naturally. But the hop does it anyway. So without even saying it to your class about where your knee alignment is, because they're just not going to be able to notice the difference. Really assist with making sure that that's all just on point. It's in the right spot and it won't feel uncomfortable. So cool little heart rate exercise. I like doing this with twist and shout. It's a quick song, so it gets their energy up so that they are moving at that speed. And that's this week's Aqua tip. Demonstrating the kick to the front and side with the noodle is actually not a very difficult exercise to do on land. Whew, thank God not everything's hard to demonstrate. So it's a kick to the front and a kick to the side. Kick to the front and a kick to the side. Front, side. So what you do with your head is really important, because some clients will actually look back at their foot, so they'll go here and look back. Now, if you're doing the same, they will do the same thing as well. So just check that your eyes are always following the noodle and that your body is always moving in the direction of the noodle. So what you're doing with your arms depends on the speed. So if you're doing really big movements, the noodle could come up to your body. But if you're doing the short, fast ones, you can't demonstrate that because your clients won't be able to do it. So the noodle comes in, but it doesn't actually touch the body. Also, lift your leg up. So again, 3 or 4 really good demonstrations is all you need to do. But when you do this sort of thing, it just demonstrates a lack of interest and a lack of enthusiasm of the instructor, especially if you're going to encourage them to work a bit hard by lifting their own legs up. So lift your leg up, lift your leg up. You might need to practice this in front of a mirror. It does require some balance to do that. So also consider demonstrating with your best leg first. You don't always have to start with the movements on the right and then on the left. As far as the clients are concerned, remember you're doing mirror image. So when you say right leg, it's actually their left. So demonstrate on the leg that you feel most comfortable with. I've got a bit of a funny left knee, so I often like demonstrating my movements, fortunately, with my left leg, with my right leg on the floor, because I have better balance on this side than I do on the other. So you need to take all those sorts of things into consideration with one, saving your body, but also giving your clients the very best experience. And that's this week's Aqua tip.